You want some more? You want some more? You want some more? Oh, look at You want some more? Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a mommy. That's why she's... Look. Did you see her? It's a little mommy. Oh, she likes that. It's a little mama. That's why she's coming back for so much food. And look at this one. Peeking up from under the porch. He says, I hear crunching going on. What's this crunching going on? Look, little mama trying to get in. Are you hungry? Do you want some more? You still hungry? You still hungry? Okay. Let's see if I can get it where you can see her. Are you still hungry? You still hungry, little one? Here, take it. Good baby.